What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we got is a brand new M8 in the shop for full body matte PPF. All the carbon is going to be PPF'd in gloss as well. Wheels are going to be coated, all the trim as well. All around tints including the windshield. Windshield's getting 50% tint, all the other glass are getting 5%. And interior coating as well, so stay tuned.
Remember I was down, but now I'm bored, this shit been feeling different. Cause I stopped counting on their love, I'm only counting digits. You ain't like me broke, once I got mine, I couldn't mind my business. Without a pussy, tryna find a way they claim they did it. Did it on my own, it's me, myself, and I, baby, I can't lie. I'm in my zone, bitch, I've been in my prime, fire in my eyes. Only depend upon myself to make it through the mud. I had my back stabbed too much to keep on losing blood. I'm fucking a bad bitch now, do that make me a savage now? I done went from an average house, still rocking some shit on my wrist, stick out like a cyst. I'm back in town, let me take back my crown. Thotties want me to take him out, but I'm here for the night, baby girl, I ain't taking no risks, yeah. So I ain't taking no shit, not like I did way back when, yeah. Changed up how I live, more than spend change in my wallet, yeah. Shawty wanna have my kid, yeah. I just bust down the lid, yeah. I just bust down the Bentley, she wanna hop in my whip. Overlooked so much, it made me hurt. Fuck all the praise from my past faults. Overlooked so much, it left a scar, and they wonder why I'm such an asshole. Remember I was down, but now I'm bored, this shit been feeling different. Cause I stopped counting on their love, I'm only counting digits. You ain't like me broke, once I got mine, I couldn't mind my business. Without a pussy, tryna find a way they claim they did it. Did it on my own, it's me, myself, and I, baby, I can't lie. I'm in my zone, bitch, I've been in my prime, fire in my eyes. Only depend upon myself to make it through the mud. I had my back stabbed too much to keep on losing blood. I ain't looking back, I can give a fuck about what you say when it start on my head. It's a try, cause they won't pay you respect till they pay their respects for you. So I'ma proceed with my head down. If they killing my brother, they dead now. If you're not on my team, then fuck do you mean? You never checked in, I don't check out. Never fit it in, I was left out. Now I'm in the bins like how you been, I got bread now. Overlooked so much, it made me hard. Fuck all the praise from my past foes. Overlooked so much, it left a scar, and they wonder why I'm such an asshole. Remember I was down, but now I'm bored, this shit been feeling different. Cause I stopped counting on their love, I'm only counting digits. You ain't like me broke, once I got mine, I couldn't mind my business. Without a pussy, tryna find a way they claim they did it. Did it on my own, it's me, myself, and I, baby, I can't lie. I'm in my zone, bitch, I've been in my prime, fire in my eyes. Only depend upon myself to make it through the mud. I had my back stabbed too much to keep on losing blood.
They gon' stab my back on me in attack mode. If you coming for the gang, I'ma send you back home. I don't give a fuck if you ain't strong.
I got a main thing, but if I'm being honest, I only hit it for the one time. I told my side bitch, get up on it, and I hit it real easy like a punchline. But fuck it, we gon' get right to these bands. She spend the night with her friends. Yeah, them hoes hit my line when I land. And since a check on the gram, they all need a man. But show me yours toy, I ain't no toy. I got a couple little thoughts, I get glued to 'em. And we don't like to talk a lot, we just get it moving. And they all know I'm about to pop, bitch, I'm going stupid. Whoa, oh, oh, you know how I go. I'm the one to give it to you when you're all alone. Oh, 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 hit my phone. We can be friends if you keep it on the low, baby. I got a main thing, but if I'm being honest, I only hit it for the one time. I told my side bitch, get up on it, and I hit it real easy like a punchline. But fuck it, we gon' get right to these bands. She spend the night with her friends. Yeah, them hoes hit my line when I land. And since a check on the gram, they all need a man. Yeah, they either with me or they hate me, no, they ain't no in between. Ain't no Gucci on my butt, I really like them double C's. I'm in the booth right now, rockin' bombing on my teeth. I'm reppin' MBE, I'm who shawty wanna meet. Oh, oh, here we go. I ain't tell you about the last hoe, them me so cold. Whoa, oh, oh, back on the road. 10 toes down, I'ma stand on my own.